Minerals. Minerals are essential nutrients that play key roles in maintaining overall health, including fitness and performance. These inorganic substances are required in varying amounts by the body for a range of functions such as bone health, muscle function, energy production, and hydration. Below is a detailed breakdown of the key minerals and their impact on fitness. 1. Calcium. Role in fitness. Calcium is vital for bone health, muscle function, and nerve signaling. It helps maintain strong bones, which is crucial for athletes who engage in weight bearing, exercises like running, cycling, or strength training. Calcium also aids in muscle contraction and relaxation, which is important for any form of physical activity. Sources: dairy products, leafy green vegetables, tofu, fortified plant-based milk, almonds. Deficiency symptoms: muscle cramps, weakened bones, increased risk of fractures, fatigue. Recommended intake: 1000 milligram per day for adults, 1300 milligrams for teens. Second, magnesium. Role in fitness. Magnesium is involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including muscle and nerve function, energy production, and protein synthesis. It helps in muscle contraction and relaxation, and it reduces the risk of cramps during intense physical activity. Sources: leafy green vegetables, nuts, seeds, legumes, whole grains, bananas, avocados. Deficiency symptoms: muscle cramps, fatigue, irritability, weakness, and poor exercise recovery. Recommended intake: 310 to 420 milligram per day, depending on age and gender. Third, potassium. Role in fitness. Potassium is an electrolyte that plays a critical role in muscle function, nerve transmission, and fluid balance. It helps maintain proper hydration levels and prevents muscle cramps and weakness, particularly during endurance exercise like long distance running or cycling. Sources: bananas, potatoes, spinach, oranges, tomatoes, beans, yogurt. Deficiency symptoms: muscle weakness, cramps, fatigue, irregular heartbeats. Recommended intake: 2500 to 3000 milligram per day for adults. Fourth, sodium. Role in fitness. Sodium is another electrolyte that helps maintain fluid balance and regulates blood pressure. It is crucial for proper muscle function, especially in prolonged exercise. Sodium helps to replace the electrolytes lost through sweat during intense workouts. Sources: table salt, processed foods, sports drinks, and foods high in salt. Deficiency symptoms: dehydration, muscle cramps, confusion, dizziness. Recommended intake: 1500 milligram per day. General recommendation. But athletes may need more during intense exercise. Fifth, iron. Role in fitness. Iron is a key component of hemoglobin, which carries oxygen in the blood to the muscles. Adequate iron levels are important for aerobic performance and endurance. Low iron levels can result in fatigue, weakness, and poor exercise performance due to insufficient oxygen transport to muscles. Sources: red meat, poultry, seafood, beans, lentils, fortified cereals, spinach. Deficiency symptoms: fatigue, weakness, shortness of breath, pale skin. Recommended intake: 8 to 18 milligram per day, depending on gender and life stage. Sixth, zinc. Role in fitness. Zinc is essential for protein synthesis, immune function, and recovery after exercise. It plays a role in muscle repair, particularly after strength training or intense workouts. Zinc also supports hormone production, including testosterone, which is important for muscle growth and strength. Sources: meat, shellfish, dairy products, nuts, seeds, legumes, whole grains. Deficiency symptoms: delay wound healing, immune dysfunction, poor muscle recovery. Recommended intake: 8 to 11 mg per day for adults. 7th, phosphorus. Role in fitness. Phosphorus is crucial for energy production and the formation of bones and teeth. It is a component of ATP, adenosine triphosphate, which is primary energy source for muscle contractions during physical activity. Phosphorus also helps in bone mineralization, which is important for athletes involved in high impact sports. Sources: meat, poultry, fish, dairy products, nuts, seeds, beans, whole grains. Deficiency symptoms: weakness, bone pain, fatigue. Recommended intake: 700 mg per day for adults. Iodine. Role in fitness. Iodine is necessary for the production of thyroid hormones that regulates metabolism, energy production, and growth. A properly functioning thyroid is vital for optimal performance in physical activities, particularly those requiring endurance. Sources: iodized salt, seafood, dairy products, eggs. Deficiency symptoms: fatigue, weight gain, sensitivity to cold, muscle weakness. Recommended intake: 150 mcg per day for adults. Ninth, copper. Role in fitness. Copper helps with the production of red blood cells and collagen, which are essential for transporting oxygen to muscles and promoting tissue repair after exercise. Copper also plays a role in energy production by supporting mitochondria, the cell's energy factories. Sources: shellfish, organ meats, nuts, seeds, whole grains. Deficiency symptoms: anemia, fatigue, weakness, poor exercise, recovery. Recommended intake: 900 mcg per day for adults. 10. Chloride. Role in fitness. Chloride work with sodium to maintain proper fluid balance and help in the regulation of blood pressure. It also part of hydrochloric acid, which is important for digestion. Chloride is essential for muscle function and hydration during exercise. Sources: salt, table salt, processed foods. Deficiency symptoms: dehydration, muscle cramps, poor exercise performance. Recommended intake: 2300 mg per day for adults. Importance of minerals in exercise and recovery. Electrolyte balance. Sodium, potassium, magnesium, and chloride are essential for maintaining fluid balance and preventing dehydration. Proper hydration and electrolyte balance are crucial for performance, especially during long workouts or in hot climates. Bone and muscle health. Minerals like calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium support strong bones, which help in injury prevention and improves performance during weight bearing exercises. Calcium and magnesium also ensure proper muscle function and reduce the risk of cramps. Energy and recovery. Iron and zinc support oxygen delivery to muscles and recovery after intense physical activity. Iron helps in maintaining energy levels while zinc aids in muscle repair and immune function. Conclusion: Incorporating adequate amounts of minerals into your diet can significantly enhance athletic performance, prevent injury, and aid in muscle recovery. A balanced diet with a variety of nutrient-dense foods can help ensure you are getting the right mix of minerals to support both your fitness goals and overall health. Be mindful of your mineral intake, especially if you are engaging in intense training or endurance sports, as your needs may increase.